Good morning, or in Australia we would say g'day mate. My name is Brian Roberts. I come to the PI Dental Centre to look at the great work that they do. I'm a prosthodontist in Australia, but I don't have the advantage of doing the implant type dentistry to give the people the great confidence and smiles that I see. I have known Dr. Bolshe since 1991, and I've come back here many times to upgrade my experience and my knowledge in looking at the patients that he treats. Hello, I'm sitting with Janine, who is an implant patient of the PI Dental Centre. As you can see, she's now a very confident young woman, and it's obviously, as she tells me, the retained denture has made her giving her great confidence in her life. I've come to the PI Dental Centre many times, and I always leave seeing the magnificent work that's done here and the confidence that it gives people, but I leave and I don't really know any of the history about how the people got to the PI Dental Centre and how they now feel about it, and also how their dental history of the past, so we can sort of work out how you come to be here. All right?
Okay. Well, it started when I was 13. I had buck teeth, overbite. I did get braces, which stayed on for 4 years. Got taken off. Wound up needing braces again because the teeth kept shifting. Short. Braces 3 times, total of 10 years. Braces came off, teeth kept moving. Root canals I had in the back teeth. Never had the money to afford crowns.
Right.
So the teeth wound up cracking, had to be pulled. I got pregnant and I had my daughter, and she was sitting on my lap, and she turned around with her bottle and she whacked me in my mouth, knocked my front tooth completely out.
Goodness me.
With her sippy. It was weak because I had a cavity in the back.
Yeah.
I did have veneers on them, so that's why I didn't know I had the cavities because I had the veneers.
Yeah.
And I did go to a dentist, and they told me I needed like $25,000 worth of work and all that. I didn't have it. I wound up getting my teeth pulled on top. Tried to wear a denture. So
there were a lot of teeth taken out, or just a small number?
On top, I had 12 teeth.
Right.
12 teeth taken out.
Yes.
My bone receded so much within a year, I had no ridge left.
Right.
My bottoms were abscessed on the bottom. I had a couple, like 4 or 5 teeth left. But they were in pain. I didn't have money. I came to PI.
Right.
Talked to Dr. Bolshe, and he said he could help me because no other dentist could help me at all.
So you have a top and a bottom implant retained denture?
Yep. I have the zygomatics up on top.
Right, yes.
7 implants on top, 4 on the bottom.
Right.
And it's unbelievable, the difference.
Yeah. As a dentist in Australia, I make lots of dentures, and we do not have the options to make implants to people to do what PI Dental Centre does. And can you explain to me the difference between now and when you wore dentures?
Oh God, when I wore dentures, I didn't go out in public. I wouldn't talk. I'd have my head down because I had no ridge. No matter how much Polident, Fixodent pads I put on, got them relined, they always moved. Like I was saying, I went to a Japanese steakhouse one night, and the guy's chopping the food up, and he throws a shrimp in everyone's mouth. Well, I opened my mouth this weird way, like, because I didn't want to hit my teeth, and my teeth come out onto the table. But I wouldn't talk.
Right.
I had no confidence. I didn't want to be seen in public. And it's not that they were rotted, but because they moved so much, I talked funny. And, you know, but now I go out everywhere. I mean, PTA for my daughter, classroom mom, it all changed. Like I want to do things now. I want to go out and live. It's like I got a new leash on life.
So your confidence level is way up here?
Oh, yes.
And you're going with it. Yes. And it is all great. And then the smile, look at the smile, it's beautiful.
What teeth can do. Like
yeah.
I'm still I had the surgery a while ago, but I'm still getting through it, like with
Right.
numbness and stuff a little bit
Yep.
still, but it's nothing compared
No.
to having dentures. It's,
The levels of pain to go through this, is it, do you, and would you consider it painful?
afterwards, I mean, it hurts a little bit, but it's worth it. I would do it 20 times over. I mean, it's not traumatic, like, it is a big surgery, you know, with getting that done, but the outcome is well worth it. It's,
And you were, the patients I've seen in the past here have always, I've considered, get the top level of care. Do you consider that at PI Dental Centre?
yes.
That
Yeah,
they really care about you
yeah, I
and
feel
like you're part of the family?
Like the president when I walk in.
Yeah, yeah.
I have wrote Mrs. Balshi a lot and told her it's so different here with the way they treat you. It really is another dentist. Like other dentists to me treat you, they see dollar signs when you walk in. They don't. They see you as a person.
Right, yeah.
And
yeah.
their hearts are there first before their money.
I consider myself part of the PI family, even though I do a little bit of work here and help out, but I see a lot of the good results that we get. I feel welcome, I feel happy, and from what you've indicated, you feel the same thing about
Yes,
coming
like the
here
family.
and the
It's like
family
family.
that you get there. Is there anything else you would like to say about the PI Dental Centre or your treatment?
Just that I've been to millions of dentists, a lot, and the compassion they have for people and just their caring ways and that they want to help you, and I would suggest anybody to come here
Well,
before even trying anyone else, or if they're at a loss of hope because they've been told they can't be helped with their mouth because there's no bone available or anything. I would definitely tell them to come here and give them a try, and they won't regret it. I mean, they're great people. It's a great team.
Well, I think you've
And I
answered.
drive from Jersey to come
Yeah,
here because
that's right. Is it? Do you live a long way away from here?
it's like 2 hours.
2 hours, and
And
you think driving 2 hours
I was
is
coming-
fantastic.
I was coming once a week,
If you,
and I didn't mind it.
You're right.
You
Yeah.
know,
Oh,
and then
that's great.
when I started coming every 2 weeks or 3 weeks, now
Yeah.
I miss coming my once a week. You know, I mean, it's like a family. Like
Yeah.
I said, you come here and, you know, they take care of you, they take care of your mouth, but they also care about you and how you're doing. And
Well,
I
you
won-
look to
I won
me
the
as though
lottery when I
you're
found out.
that's what I was going to say. You sounded like you've won the lottery,
Yeah,
and
better.
and
It's
life
better
is
than money.
now
It's-
going to be all very sweet for you.
yes, it's better than winning money to me, having teeth and a nice smile.